Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice.
Hi you guys, Sadie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my room because I've been neglecting my room for like the past couple of months. Like genuinely, I just have not been like folding my laundry and shit, so I really need to clean it. Before we do that, only thing I ate today was fried rice, and that was like hours ago, so I'm literally starving right now. I need to eat. I'm literally so hungry. That being said, today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So you guys may ask,
what is HelloFresh?
HelloFresh is a company that sends you guys delicious meals that are pre-measured and everything straight to your door. It literally makes cooking more convenient, easy, and delicious and fun. One of the best things about HelloFresh is that they have so many different recipes you guys can choose from. Being me, I cook the same thing every day. I make eggs and rice and literally boiled hot dogs and rice. Don't judge me. So I love that they have so many different recipes you guys can choose from that are so delicious, quick, and easy. They literally have meals for everyone. So if you're a vegan, you want to cook something for your family, or like you want something with low calories, girl, they got you. So today I'm gonna be making the meatloaf parm over spaghetti marinara. It literally looks like this, and I'm gonna be making this today. Not only that, but HelloFresh also helps you save so much time because then you're not the one having to plan everything, like all your meals and stuff. Like they have it planned, all you gotta do is choose it and it gets delivered to you. So yeah, it makes cooking way more easier and like less effort. Not only that, but HelloFresh is great if you guys want to eat more sustainably because all the meals are like pre-measured and everything, so you're not like wasting extra ingredients. So let's make our meal because I'm hungry as heck. So everything to make this certain meal comes in one quick bag. Like literally it's just like this. Ooh, cooking with Sandy. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Here we go. So we've got our paper with the instructions. Bam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all I gotta do is put all these ingredients together and that's it. You're excited, Bon Jovi? Okay. Okay. A meatloaf right here. One right here. Okay, thank you, or whatever. Now these can go in the oven. You excited to eat?
Yes.
Oh hell no, you look weird.
I just woke up, bruh.
Not there! This one! Oh. I never screamed so damn loud. Ooh. Ooh. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright guys, so we made it and now we're gonna try it. Don't forget the meatloaf. Mmm, it's hella cheesy. I like it. So make sure to use my code BANG80 if you guys want to save $80 off your first meal box with purchase. And of course, you guys will get free shipping with that. So go to HelloFresh.com if you guys want to redeem this code and for more details. My room is messy as hell. Let's turn on the lights. Alright guys, so we're gonna clean my room now and I'm tired, but let's do it. It's 2 a.m. I just ate, so I'm full as hell. But it's a good thing I did not wear a crop top. So my room is really messy right now. This is what it looks like. There's my bed. Ooh, voila. That's my office. No, that's not my office. That's my desk. Very messy. The makeup is everywhere. Oh my god.
Oh my god. He on X Games mode.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so bad. In my defense, I've got a lot of hauls coming, so that's why they're all just, you know, like all my clothes and everything is just chilling. That being said, it looks so messy. So we're gonna start off by cleaning this corner because it looks so good. These shoes, they don't belong here. They're cute as hell, dude. Oh my god, it's so messy everywhere. Oh my god, this is stressing me out, dude. Yeah, I know I like organized this closet last time, but like it's back to being a mess. Let's put all my blankets on my bed because they don't belong in my closet. I'm stressed. First things first. That sewing machine, it gotta go. Trash. It's so messy, like I don't even know what to do, like this is heavy. This is so messy. I'm slowly clearing out the room. Okay, this don't even go in here, bruh. So recently I told you guys I was gonna do a thrift flip, but that's gonna be the next video. This video, you know, I'm just cleaning my room. Cleaning my room's a little more urgent than flipping a thrift item. But that video is gonna be really exciting. This is my laundry basket of clothes that is washed, so it's good. Still good stuff. This is my dirty laundry. Oh yeah, I gotta love a fresh, dirty pile of laundry. And this is a pile of clothes from Xoxo that I actually really need to do a haul for. It's so beautiful. Then right there is my old poly clothes for another haul I gotta do. And in that corner is another haul that I gotta do. Then we got some books that I forgot to return and I'll probably have to pay for. These shoes need to be organized. My old poly stuff, I'm gonna leave it right here because it's organized there for me. I'm gonna put that in another cubby. Oh my god, this desk is a whole nother situation. I'm just gonna put it all in there. It's not foldable. Ah, there's my other nipple cover. You ever just look at yourself like clean and think like, LOL. You know damn well I'm putting everything under my bed. I will do the laundry tomorrow. Tonight is not the mood. Ugh. So that's gonna stay there. This desk. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Clean your room. Make sure you clean your room. Orange juice or apple juice, guys? I'm definitely orange juice. Apple juice is good. Like don't get me wrong, but orange juice is better. I just got lashes sitting everywhere. It be like that, you know? Where is my powder? Okay, see, another cup of orange juice. This don't go here. Oh, anyways, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. All I did today was today I woke up and then I dropped my brother off at his girlfriend's house. And as I was like going to her house, literally the car I was driving, something went wrong and it wasn't like, the steering wheel wasn't moving or anything. So me and my brother got stranded at the grocery store because that's where we parked. And we were just like, all right, waiting for our dad to come save us because we were stuck, the car wasn't moving. It was scary. It's okay, I'm alive. I'm just like putting everything into my makeup holder. I hope you guys have been enjoying my recent videos. I've been, you know, like, I've been trying to, you know, try different things and like put in a little bit more effort in my videos because obviously more effort pays off, obviously. I got these business cards, like too many. Trash. Trash. Oh my god! It's getting there, guys. This is good enough. So this is me. This is my desk. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Better than how it was earlier. Damn, I need more storage, guys. I'm not gonna do my laundry. I'll do that tomorrow, but yeah, this is freaking good enough. There's that. So the only thing I gotta do left, I swear I'll put those away tomorrow. But this bed, oh my god.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Yeah, it needs some help. Let's just, yeah, let's do that. So I have this box right here, and this is where I put all my camera stuff because I'm always editing like right next to my bed. My laptop, I'm just gonna put this here. I like to sleep with a lot of blankets on. When I sleep, I like to feel like I'm being cuddled. So I literally sleep with hella blankets all around me and I feel like I'm like sleeping in a little like nest or something, you know. I'm gonna fold it all and just put it like not on the bed tonight because I've been like getting hella hot because it's summer now. So I'm not gonna sleep with all my blankets tonight. Or maybe, I don't know. If you guys have reached this point of the video, comment down below Buttercup. Then I'll know who the real ones are. Can somebody tell me how to make my bed less squeaky? Y'all hear that? Oh my god, it's so annoying. I have like silk pillowcases. Kind of a bad idea though, because my head just slips off the pillow, but kind of cute. Why is it so squeaky? And no, ain't no action happens on this bed. How annoying! She kind of cute or whatever. All my blankets on the corner. There we go. She is clean. Alright guys, so that's enough of me cleaning at this time because I'm too tired to continue. And I don't even want to do my laundry right now, so I'm not even gonna do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning my room and like me cooking today. It's late as hell. Me and my brothers ate super late, but it's all good. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias if you guys want more of my next video is gonna be me DIYing a item I bought from the thrift store. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Look forward to it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Mwah!
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out.